ready for takeoff.
Systems are green across
To NB Superworld, the place where we explore the most fascinating fields in science and technology. I'm so excited about today's topic because it's one that literally takes us beyond the sky. Today, we're diving deep into aerospace engineering. So, buckle up, because we're about to launch. So, what exactly is aerospace engineering? Simply put, aerospace engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with the design, development, testing, and production of aircraft and spacecraft. Yes, everything that flies. From the plane you board at the airport, to the rockets that carry astronauts to the International Space Station, to the satellites orbiting Earth right now. Aerospace engineers made all of that possible. The field is split into two major branches. Aeronautical engineering, which focuses on aircraft that fly within Earth's atmosphere. Think airplanes, helicopters, drones, and fighter jets. And astronautical engineering, also called astronautics, which deals with spacecraft that operate outside Earth's atmosphere. Think rockets, satellites, space probes, and yes, missions to Mars. Now you might be wondering, what does an aerospace engineer actually do every day? Great question. Aerospace engineers work on things like designing aircraft and spacecraft, using advanced software and physics to create vehicles that are safe, efficient, and powerful. Studying aerodynamics, understanding how air flows around a vehicle so it can fly faster and use less fuel. Working with propulsion systems, basically the engines. Whether it's a jet engine or a rocket thruster, aerospace engineers make sure it has enough power to go where it needs to go. Building satellites and navigation systems, the tech behind your GPS, aerospace engineering, testing, and safety. Before any aircraft ever leaves the ground, engineers run thousands of tests to make sure everything works perfectly. But why does aerospace engineering matter? Why should you care? Because it literally connects the world and pushes the boundaries of human civilization. Air travel lets families reunite across continents in hours. Weather satellites help us predict storms and save lives. GPS guides billions of people every single day. And space exploration? That's us as a species reaching out into the unknown, searching for answers about our universe, and even looking for new places humanity might one day call home. Without aerospace engineering, none of that exists. So how do you become an aerospace engineer? It starts with a strong foundation in mathematics and physics. These are your best friends in this field. Then you typically pursue a bachelor's degree in aerospace engineering, or a related field like mechanical or electrical engineering. Many aerospace engineers also go on to get a master's degree or PhD for more specialized roles. Skills you'll want to build include problem solving, computer-aided design, programming, and a deep curiosity about how things work. Aerospace engineering is one of the most exciting, challenging, and rewarding careers on the planet, and beyond it. If you've ever looked up at the sky and wondered how that plane stays in the air, or stared at the stars and dreamed of reaching them one day, maybe aerospace engineering is your calling. The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. That's it for today's video on NB Superworld. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Drop a comment below. Would you want to be an aerospace engineer? Let me know. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep reaching for the stars. See you in the next one.